Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing another love bite for you, a simple 9-card spread to get a message out for you. And Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. Okay, so let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. Very blessed to have you all with me again. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Pisces, 4 of Pentacles, the Temperance card, 9 of Wands, Queen of Wands, 6 of Wands, 5 of Swords, 2 of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the King of Swords. Alright, so the entire conflict here could be, or the reason of discussion could be commitment. Okay, because I have the Hierophant right here, bottom of my deck. Right in the center of my spread, Aries, I have the 6 of Wands, which could be a very egoistic person. Very prideful, very egoistic. Somebody is thinking of releasing, moving on. Somebody is thinking of releasing this person. It's a very imbalanced connection. No longer wanting to fight for this connection anymore. Not feeling respected. They feel that person is. Maybe at one point they did want to have victory with them, but right now they feel my person lies to me. They cheat on me. I think it's time to make a decision. So let's see what's going to happen after that, Pisces. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Pisces and their person, Spirit. Pisces and their person, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Let's take a few more from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. And Pisces, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Pisces and their person, thank you. Oops. This one also, 2 more wanted to come out, so I'm going to take them as well. Let's take a couple more from here. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person, Spirit. Alright. Good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. Give me 1 second, I forgot my glasses. Okay. So let's start our reading. The font on these things is really tiny. Can't read them without your reading glasses. I realized I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and must heal. So somebody knows what they're doing wrong. That's what they're trying to say. I always thought we would get married. It absolutely breaks my heart that you're with them. Being one with you intimately is home to me. I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another being with you kills me. Darling, you are mine. Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again. But the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but then you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. I don't expect you to be perfect. I love your perfect imperfections because they make my life as perfect as one can imagine. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. Every night I just want to be home. Home is in your arms. Second reference to being home. Okay. Your love makes me feel untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. I want to restore your faith in me. Don't let the past dictate the future. Alright, so Pisces, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card here. Let's see what my angels have to say. Give you a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. For Pisces, my angels, pray. You need to take some time out for yourself, Pisces, it seems, and put your intentions out there. Give yourself a little bit of pause, right? I do see somebody who's kind of feeling a bit imbalanced maybe in their life. I think it's time to just kind of take a pause and just go within. Speak to your angels, speak to your guides, speak to whatever God you believe in, because each and every word of yours will be heard. There will be messages, there will be solutions that can come in just taking a little bit of pause for yourself. Okay? Alright, so let's see what's happening here. Four of Pentacles, Spirit in reverse. Who's releasing what? Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles. Somebody has been stuck on maybe a King of Wands who's been not really giving, maybe been a little selfish, or not taking action, or just kind of not doing the right thing, as politely as I can say. But somebody's been really stuck on, maybe waiting for this King of Wands to take action. I think that is all coming to an end. Somebody's deciding it's time to release. It's time to now release and not wait around for some situation which never brings balance to my life. Temperance in reverse. What's the Spirit? One more. I think when this King of Wands does or did come towards the feminine here, they did come with a lot of promise. They may have come with a lot of happiness that they brought, some sweet nothings, but this is the Knight of Cups has their heart open, but it's not always that sincere. They're there for the moment. This is like almost being a little bit of a playboy who will come in and romance you and dine you, wine you, and then trot off and go to the other place and do the same thing. So this person may have come towards this Queen of Pentacles giving a storyline like this, and this Queen of Pentacles may have immediately assumed that this is going to be my forever person, right? But what happened? I think they ended up in having their heart broken. So now there is unpeace, there is imbalance. Nine of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Wands in reverse. Yes, somebody is feeling it's time now to stop fighting for this connection, feeling very disappointed. So much of time, energy, effort was wasted here and nothing really grew, right? No, this Queen of Pentacles who was excited about being in a commitment is now in reverse. Feeling I got disrespected. I expected more from this King of Wands, but they ended up not doing the right thing. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Now this Queen of Pentacles feels maybe this was just a karmic soulmate. I feel always abandoned and left out in the cold. Always feeling neglected. So Six of Wands, Spirit. Who's the Six of Wands character? Oops. Six of Wands. Six. So this person, this is the same person, the King of Swords. He's come out twice already. This is almost like a narcissist, Pisces. Somebody who's very cold and calculating, uses their head over heart. They could have a lot of ego, a lot of pride, very unemotional, and because of this person, this queen has lost hope now in this connection. Somebody who was always too prideful, too egoistic, too cold and calculating and cutting, maybe cheated on this queen as well with the Seven of Swords energy. Seven of Swords, Spirit? What's the Seven of Swords? They may have come forward, Pisces, offering the world, may have come looking like an emperor, but ended up being a page. Could have come with promises that I'll make everything all right, and we'll live a balanced life or something like that. Or maybe this queen is just kind of now healing from the shock of realizing that this person was actually a liar. They cheated me of my time, of my love, of my energy. Like this card said, you kept taking from me. What was this card? Don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I always knew I had the potential to run away. You kept taking from me, right? So this could have been a rude shock here. Two of Swords in reverse now, Spirit. Two of Swords in reverse. I think somebody is now planning to... There is a lot of sadness. There is a lot of sadness and regret and sorrow of the way things haven't happened in the past. But I think somebody is now making an active decision that I'm going to get de-stressed now. No more sleepless nights for me. I'm done. I'm going to start moving forward in my life instead of waiting around for somebody who's going to be a King of Swords in reverse. So Wheel of Fortune, Spirit. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, somebody is now recognizing the fact that they were always the Empress. They were the one who had all the fertility, growth, abundance, and everything else. They want to now, I think, go back into their excitement for life. Yes. One more. One more. Yeah, somebody is de-stressing themselves. Somebody is de-stressing themselves after this big betrayal that's happened, that no more of this. I'm going to unhook myself from the memories I have of the past, the very emotional memories that I have of my past person, of that one day that they're going to come and we're going to live happily ever after, whatever. I think somebody is actively now, I think, allowing divine timing to take place and let what happens. I'm the Empress. I'm going to sit pretty. I'm not going to chase anyone. If there's somebody out there for me, they'll come for me. Otherwise, So King of Swords in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. Yeah, somebody is actively closing out a chapter with somebody who was probably, not the right match, maybe. King of Swords in reverse. This is an unemotional, cold, calculating, sometimes cheats, sometimes lies. Somebody is putting this to a halt and completing a chapter. Okay? So, what's this Hierophant, Spirit? Or what was the overall energy of my reading? There is a message coming. That is maybe a new... Oh, wow. After you finish this chapter, Pisces, the good part is, I don't know whether this is an old person or new person, but the minute you manage to shut down this chapter, comes in a big commitment. Okay? This is going to have equal give and take. Please expect something new, maybe a message from somebody, I don't know who, could be a new person. This person is going to offer you a big stable start in your life, but once this chapter is shut down. Okay, chapter, I'm saying a cycle of your life, of the way maybe you did things. Okay, so it's going to put you back here. It's going to put you back here feeling yourself. the Queen of Cups. There is somebody who has an eye on you, somebody who's watching you, who has an eye on you. I don't know whether this is an old person or new person. We'll get to know more in the next read. But right now, it's time to pause. Think of why you are repeating this, same kind of a pattern. Maybe you're doing something, too good that allows people to take advantage of you. Okay? So shut that down. Start expecting now. You need to start receiving. An empress is normally shown as somebody who's pregnant. So what that means an empress is expecting, right? Expecting a baby. So you have to be in this mode of, I'm the empress now. I expect love to come to me. So once you make yourself happy, like you by yourself, 9 of Cups, when you start feeling in a really happy, solid place for yourself, is when there is fast forward movement in your life. You can manifest anything you want after that. So time for reflection for Pisces, that's what I feel. Time to just take stock and don't allow people like this person, this King of Swords, to take advantage of you. That's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.